In this video, I'll show you how you can test champions and finding the champion that you want to play the most. Now, first, what you need to do, guys, is if you click on the play button up here, there will be in here, you can find somewhere that says training right here. If you go into training, you will have something called a practice tool. Now, press confirm in the practice tool and start the game. From in here, you're going to select a champion that you want to play. Maybe someone you haven't tried yet, you just bought them and you want to see how they work. So just select anything, select the runes masters that you want, and then let's get into the game. Now once you're in here, as you can see, you will have all of these on the left side. What you can do is you can press auto refresh cooldowns, health, mana. You can give yourself tons of gold so you can buy all the items that you want. Just like this, and you can level yourself up to the maximum level. So now you have all your abilities, you have items, you can even stop the minions from spawning somewhere here, and then you can summon a dummy. Let me show you. It's Control S, Control B. It's somewhere in here. Here. Shift B. So you can add these and you can test out your abilities and see how the champion works. If you want to play them or not. You can test out anything from in here. You can give yourself level, gold, anything. So basically, this is how you can test new champions very easily. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.